Hi everyone, Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services, and today I want to share with you a question that I got this week, and the question was, how do I do my own odor treatment at home? What kind of product can I use? Let me explain you the basics about odor treatment, and then you can make your own decisions. The first thing that I want you to understand is that you need to know about carpet installation and carpet construction. This is a regular carpet as you see here, and this is another piece of carpet, but there are differences between them. And before you do an odor treatment, you need to understand that. What do I mean with that? If you look at this carpet, it looks like a regular carpet, but if you look on the back, we got like a film. This film won't let anything go through, and I will explain that what this means. Regular carpet visually, but on the back we have a moisture barrier, and then I'm gonna go to this second one. Visually, it looks like regular carpet. On the back, we have regular backing with no film, which means we have no moisture barrier. And now I wanna talk about padding. This is the regular padding that most homes will have, and then we have a moisture barrier padding, which means that if you spill something on the carpet, the padding will be under. It will go through the carpet if you don't have the backing with the moisture barrier, and then when it gets here, it won't go through because we got this film. If you have this padding, the regular one, it will go through. Why will that make the difference when you're doing your own odor treatment? Because what's happening is that assuming that this is your cat or dog, he pees on the carpet, the water is getting on the carpet, it's going through, and it will get on the padding. If you have this kind of carpeting, and you have a dog, it pits on it, and if you see, it's back there, but it's not going through. What this means, if you have this kind of carpet with a backing like that, and you buy any product that you like to buy, either enzymes or oxidizers, if you just get a little hand pump sprayer, you spray your product on top, you let it sit. If you're using enzymes, you have to let it eat the bacteria that are creating odor. I would suggest that you let it sit for 15 days. That way it eats everything. It may get a little hard and you have to come back and clean it up. If you have this backing that the moisture won't go through, or you have this type of padding that it has a moisture barrier and it won't allow the pee going through, you can just buy a regular bottle of your preferred product. We cannot recommend you one product because we don't use regular household products. As you see here, we use some commercial products to work on odor. I wouldn't advise to use some of those because you gotta have training, and those are oxidizers. But going back to the explanation, if you have a carpet that have a moisture barrier padding, or you have backing, and if you have a regular padding with a moisture barrier, you can just spray your product and you're good to go. You let it sit, and it will, if you're using enzymes, it will eat up the bacteria and the odor will go out. When you're getting a product, make sure that you understand the difference between enzymes and oxidizers. Enzymes will eat up the odor. Oxidizer will burn the odor, the bacteria. You have to flush it out. You have to neutralize it. If you use oxidizers on carpet with color, you may bleach it. Now let's talk about carpet with regular backing and with padding. If you have a spot like this, and you just spray your spot and let it sit, you're not doing anything. Why you're not doing anything? Your your padding is sucking with urine. What you need to do in that case, you probably have to buy a few bottles of the product, whatever you want to use. After you do your research, you get enough and you do what is called the recreation of penetration. You put enough product in that it gets on the carpet, you let it sit, it will pass to the backing, and then it will get on the padding. As long as your padding is wet, you will have odor coming through. That's why you have to make sure you put enough that it goes all the way down. When you use a professional company, it's much easier for us because we can use oxidizers, which they work much quicker, and then we have tools to flush it out from the padding. That way we get all the residue out. With oxidizers, we got ways to neutralize that and don't create any bleaching on your carpet. But that's basically how you do your own odor treatment. If you have any questions, please leave a comment on this video, and if you need any help with any professional cleaning, please give us a call at Rodriguez Cleaning Services. We would love to help you. Our phone number is 502-365-6779. Thank you.